We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a Lexus Rx450h, brand new 2024 plate, protected with a Halo Mini with total kill. So the way it works, if a thief got the key and went to start the vehicle, it's not going to start up, the customer's going to need to put a code in. So what they'll do, double tap, pop their code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, we receive our flash, we can start the vehicle. With the total kill, whether the vehicle's in service mode, you've given the code to someone you shouldn't have, they're not returning the vehicle. What you can do is go into your app, disable the PIN code entry, so totally kill the vehicle. We'll cut it off, type in the customer's password. Now the command's been sent successful, it's totally killed the vehicle, so whether they have the code, as you see, it's not going to accept it. 1, 2, 3, 4, we get no flash, the vehicle's not going to start up. Or it's in service mode, it's going to take the vehicle out of service mode, you're going to be unable to drive it. So we'll just show you again, one more time. If we enter the code, 1, 2, 3, 4, we get no flash, you're going to be unable to drive the vehicle. Also, being the total kill, it's also got tracking, so we can see where the vehicle is. We're obviously not going to zoom in, because then it will reveal where the vehicle's located. But we go in here, you can find the vehicle. When you get to it, go into the vehicle, recover it through the app. So once you're there, you click recover, type in the password. Command successful, and now once it's updated, you're going to see that we can now put the code in. So double tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, we receive our flash, we can start the vehicle, it goes to ready, and we can drive off. This is the total kill Halo Mini. So this has tracking, total kill immobilisation, whether they have the PIN code, it's in service mode, doesn't make a difference. You're going to totally disable the PIN entry or take it out of service mode and immobilise the vehicle. This is a brand new 24 plate Lexus Rx450h. As you see, it's only got 43 miles. The customer wanted it secure as soon as they got it. Thanks for watching. Our number's 028 212 7393 and we're Immobiliser Fit.